Sri Lanka, an island nation where warm waters lap at its shores. In the heart of this tropical paradise, a giant rises, Sigiriya, a rock towering over the landscape. This is no ordinary rock. This is a monument to history, a testament to human ingenuity. Sigiriya means lion rock in Sinhalese. The name suits it well. Imagine a colossal lion carved from the earth itself. Now picture this, a fortress perched atop its head. This was once the palace of a king, King Kashyapa to be precise. Climbing Sigiriya is a journey. Stone steps carved into the rock wind upwards. The climb is not for the faint of heart, but the rewards are worth every step. Along the way, remnants of the past whisper stories. Frescoes, vibrant even after centuries, adorn the rock face. These are the famed Sigiriya ladies. Their beauty is captivating. Who were they? What stories do their enigmatic smiles hold? The mystery endures. Higher still, we reach the Lion Gate. Only the paws remain today, but imagine a colossal lion, jaws agape, guarding the entrance. Through this gate, one entered the palace. The king's view from here must have been breathtaking. A kingdom spread out before him. Sigiriya is more than just a fortress. It is a testament to the ingenuity of ancient Sri Lankans. The engineering marvels are astonishing. Consider the water gardens, a marvel of hydraulic engineering. Even today, they function flawlessly. Look around and you see nature's artistry too. The views are breathtaking. Emerald green forests stretch as far as the eye can see. Ancient temples dot the landscape. Monkeys chatter in the trees. Birds soar overhead. Sigiriya is a harmonious blend of nature and human creation. The rock itself seems to rise from the forest, a natural fortress. The ancient builders worked with the landscape, not against it. The result is a sight of extraordinary beauty. Sigiriya stands today as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a recognition of its universal value, a reminder of a glorious past. People from all over the world come to witness this wonder. They marvel at its beauty, its history, its sheer audacity. Tourism plays a vital role in preserving Sigiriya. The revenue helps to maintain this historical treasure, but it's a delicate balance. Preserving the site's integrity while making it accessible to visitors is crucial. Sigiriya belongs to the world now. It is a shared heritage, a reminder of what humanity is capable of. But it is also a symbol of Sri Lanka's rich cultural heritage, a source of national pride. Sigiriya is more than just a tourist attraction. It is an invaluable resource for historical and cultural studies. Archaeologists and historians continue to unearth its secrets. Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle of Sri Lanka's past. The site offers insights into ancient urban planning, art, engineering, and governance. The frescoes, for example, provide valuable clues about the fashion, lifestyle, and artistic traditions of the era. The story of King Kashyapa, though shrouded in mystery, offers a glimpse into the political intrigue and power struggles of ancient Sri Lanka. Sigiriya is a time capsule, preserving fragments of a bygone era. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the landscape, Sigiriya stands tall, a silent sentinel guarding centuries of history. It has witnessed empires rise and fall, seen countless sunrises and sunsets, yet it remains. Sigiriya is a reminder of the enduring power of human creativity, a testament to the enduring beauty of the natural world. It is a place that inspires awe, wonder, and a sense of connection to the past. Long after we are gone, Sigiriya will continue to stand, a beacon of history, a symbol of Sri Lanka's rich cultural heritage, a timeless marvel. Visit it, experience its magic, and create your own stories amidst its ancient stones.